What makes a vehicle truly unreasonable? It's not just about size. It's not only about power. It's the bold decision to combine heavy-duty trucking heritage with the kind of luxury you would expect from a high-end private suite. This is the 2026 Kenworth W900. From the outside, its presence is undeniable. The towering chrome grille stands proud with the Kenworth badge centered confidently. The long hood, polished vertical exhaust stacks, and metallic gold finish accented by bold blue striping create a machine that cannot be mistaken for anything else on the road. Inside a modern architectural setting, it looks like industrial art. On the open highway, it moves with authority. Through forest roads, it feels purpose-built for exploration. Even in snowy conditions, its stance remains solid, planted, and commanding. This is not transportation, it is a statement. Step into the driver's cabin and the atmosphere shifts to refined, modern comfort. A dark, elegant interior with subtle ambient lighting creates a premium environment. The leather-wrapped steering wheel with the Kenworth emblem feels substantial in hand. A clean digital instrument display provides clear information without clutter. Everything is designed for long hours behind the wheel without fatigue. But the true surprise lies beyond the front cabin. The main sleeping area features a large bed with a plush headboard, warm hidden lighting, and glossy wood panels that create a calm, executive atmosphere. This is not a simple rest space. It's a private retreat designed for real comfort. The bathroom carries a modern look with dark marble finishes, a glass-enclosed shower, and softly illuminated LED mirrors. Clean lines, elegant materials, thoughtful design. The kitchen area presents dark marble countertops, minimalist cabinetry, built-in appliances, and under-cabinet lighting that elevates the space beyond expectation. Functional, yes, but unmistakably upscale. The lounge area includes a large leather sofa facing a wide display, surrounded by polished wood accents and ambient ceiling lighting that make it ideal for relaxing after long travel days. There is even a dedicated workspace with an ergonomic chair and sleek desk, transforming the vehicle into a mobile executive environment. Beneath all this refinement, the DNA of Kenworth remains untouched. A heavy-duty chassis, torque-rich diesel performance, and commercial-grade stability ensure that this machine performs as confidently as it looks. It doesn't just appear strong, it is engineered for serious capability. That is why the 2026 Kenworth W900 earns the title of the most unreasonable luxury hauler ever built. Because it refuses to compromise. Not on scale, not on strength, and certainly not on comfort. When you travel in something like this, you are not simply driving. You are carrying presence, capability, and independence in one extraordinary package. This is not built for everyone. It is built for those who expect the biggest, the strongest, and the most refined, without hesitation. So here's the question. Is it excessive, or is this the ultimate expression of freedom? Thanks for watching Mobyx Auto. We'll see you on the next journey.